Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift the energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. Uy, the Sun. Happiest card and the Seven of Pentacles. Uy, may naghihintay sa'yo. Maring Leo sign. Waiting for the right time. Temperance. Sagittarius energy. Two of Pentacles. So, maaring two-person is to. Two-person. Ayan, nag-juggling ka. Maaring ikaw or siya. Nine of Cups. Ten of Swords. Six of Wands. And the Seven of Swords. Wow. Kompleto lahat ng fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So, may nagja-juggling dito kasi hindi makapamili, hindi makapag-decide. And maaaring isa sa mga taong to, maaaring ikaw to, nagja-juggling. Kasi isa sa kanila parang pinagtaksilan ka na before. Maaaring isa sa kanila is past person mo and dalawang new person. Ayan. So, itong tatlong to, papaligsahan sila to win your heart. So, nasa kanino kaya mapupunta yung oo na yung matamis mong oo? Sino magwawagi sa tatlong ito? Tingnan natin. So, we have here the lighthouse, waterfalls, coins. So, isa sa kanila, be careful kasi isa sa kanila is hindi totoo sa intentions. Maring karmic cycle, karmic partner. So, kailangan mamili ng mabuti sa mga taong to. We have here camera, waiting shed. So, isa sa kanila yung tao na matagal mo nang hinihintay. Diamond bottom card. So, know your worth. Huwag ka magsisettle for less. So, alamin mo kung sino ba talaga sa kanila yung karapat-dapat na piliin mo. So, tingnan natin. Ano message ng Archangels? Okay. Chakra clearing by Archangel Metatron. Call upon me to clear and open your chakras using sacred geometric shapes. And tingnan natin mga messages natin dito. I love your humor. So, may mga person dito na parang yung pinaka nagugustuhan mo is yung funny person. Can't decide. So, ikaw to undecided kasi hindi mo malaman sa kanila kung sino ba. I want commitment. Talking to you telepathically. Can we start again? So, isa kasi sa kanila from the past. Willing to take the risk. Can't sleep thinking of you all night long. This is not over yet. So, itong past person mo talagang nag-aano dito, oh. Parang nagigigil to eh. Ayaw niya kasi na, parang gusto kanyang bakuran. Ayaw niya na may ibang tao na lalapit sa'yo. I regret rejecting you. And isa sa kanila ay na-reject na sa'yo before. Tingnan natin more messages. I'm grateful for the spiritual lesson. So, isa sa kanila kasi may something na spiritual connection with you. I hope that you can forgive me one day. I want you. I regret lying to you. I wish I could take back my words. We need to let each other go. I knew exactly what I was doing. Sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. You came closer than anyone. So, what ay ng initials? R. Letter H. Y. LG. Oops. Lumipad si letter E. V. Letter A and N yung bottom card natin. Twin flame for some of you, ang isa sa kanila, yan. Maring twin flame in separation and past life lover. Tingnan natin general signs and messages. Pwedeng silang tatlo itong representation nito. Isang in separation, isang twin flame, at isang past life lover. So, ikaw na bahala kung anong pipiliin mo sa mga yan. May other country, August, April, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So, isang karmic relationship sa mga yan, ha. Sweet, number 6, summer, flower farm, funny, iyon, the funny guy. South PH, eye contact, sexy body. September, has a dirty sense of humor. Luzon, travel, once fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sag, future lover. Overthinker, pero huwag kang mag-overthink, ha. Baka magkamali ka pa sa pag-overthink. Good heart, number 2. Maring sign, number 2. So, yan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.